Hello, hello. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Primetime Sanibel wide body. This is going to be their 3902 MBWB. We're going to start with our pass-through storage first. Of course, it does go all the way through. You do have a water station on the other side of the camper. And then as far as outdoor kitchens go, you're going to have your 2-burner cooktop with a little bit of extra storage in there. This fifth wheel does have 2 awnings on the campsite as well as 1 slide out, dual axle, and then nice solid steps below that entry door. Taking a step on the inside, we're going to start at the back. So you have your freestanding dinette. It does come with 4 chairs. Little extension if you do need it. Next to that, you're going to have your theater seating. This theater seating does recline, of course. A little bit of remote storage and cup holders in the middle. And then at the very back of this fifth wheel, we're going to find our couch. This couch does fold into a bed. In case you do have some late night stragglers, chargers and outlets on either side, which is really nifty. And then across from your theater seating, you're going to have your entertainment center. So your entertainment center consists of a smart TV, soundbar, and fireplace. And then taking a closer look at our kitchen area, you can see really just how much this fifth wheel comes together in this area right here. You have a single basin sink, residential style fridge, 4-burner cooktop, massive microwave, and then your pantry is literally out the wazoo, which we love to see. Off of your kitchen area, you are going to have a little bunk area. Now, the really cool thing about this bunk area is that it can sleep up to 3 kiddos. Couch folds into a bed. Bunk up top does flip down. You do have some storage and a place for a TV across from your bunk area. And then you also have a half bath. You have a porcelain toilet, raised bowl sink. I mean, they really thought about all the aspects going into this fifth wheel, and I love to see it. But if you thought that that was the only place for the kiddos, you were wrong. If we go up these steps here, you are going to have a bunk area, or maybe some extra storage area, totally up to you, but it's going to be a little bit bigger maybe for those big kiddos. If we keep moving forward, we're going to run ourselves into the main bath. So another raised bowl sink, really big shower with a skylight above to give you a little bit of extra headroom. A little seat in there, some storage, and then another porcelain toilet. At the very front of this camper, we're going to run ourselves into the main bedroom. So I believe this is a king size bed. You do have tables and windows on either side of the bed. Really love this headboard. The aesthetic in here is just amazing. You have a wardrobe up front that goes on for miles. We love to see it. And then on the right side of that, you're going to have washer and dryer prep. Across from your king size bed, you're going to have a little bit of extra storage as well as a cute little window. And that's going to be your 2025 Sanibel wide body 3902 MBWB. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Now, the really cool thing about this bunk area is that it can sleep up to 3 kiddos. Couch folds into a bed.